What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel if you are a new subscriber. I've gotten a lot of those recently. Hi. So today I'm going to be filming a random ass SHEIN haul. I have not filmed the try-on haul since I've been at school. If you guys don't know, I live like in a dorm now, so I used to film all my try-on hauls like obviously at my house, but now that I'm at school I haven't filmed the try-on haul, which is crazy because I've been buying so much clothes. So you guys should expect a few try-on hauls coming to you in the near future, but I got the least amount of things from SHEIN, so I decided to go ahead and film that haul today. So I didn't just buy clothes from SHEIN, I bought a whole bunch of stuff. Like I bought like purses and like nail tools and stuff. SHEIN is basically just AliExpress, except your stuff comes at once. So yeah, I mostly got tops. I didn't get any bottoms from SHEIN this time, but don't even worry about the shortness of this haul because I have so many hauls coming up for you guys. Oh, don't forget to thumbs up this video if you like it, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and follow me on social media so we can stay connected, girl. And now let's get into the video. Okay, so is the lighting gonna adjust or no? Okay, so I'm sorry about the weird lighting. I'm doing the very best that I can in this dorm right now, but this is the first top that I got. It's a crop top, but it's more like a bra on me because I have big boobs.
Big boobs? What? Child. Anyway, so
it basically says on the fly. Like y'all know how Chinese clothing is. It'll have the most random sayings on it, and it's so cute. It's just like a blue tank top. I've just been obsessed with blue lately, and the mistake that I made is when I was coming to college, I bought like a lot of, or I brought like a lot of like jeans and stuff like that, and that is not what I be wearing, girl. All I wear is like tank tops and like biker shorts and stuff. So I really like this top. I got all my tops in a size large. And I think my bust is like 43 inches all the way around, so you guys can do your sizing off of there. But this stuff does have a lot of stretch. Like I don't feel like I could have sized down to a medium in this, but I feel like if you want to size down and you didn't have as big of a chest as I did, you could. But this is what it looks like. I'm just wearing all the tops with black sweatpants because that's what I plan on wearing them with in real life. It is super cute. I love the color, and I just wish my boobs weren't so big so it could be like a shirt and not like a bra, you know. But it's so cute. I love the black trimming, and yeah, that's top number one. So this is the next top that I got. It's also baby blue. It's also a tank top, but this one's really cute because it has like these 3 yellow sunflowers on it. The straps on this one, ooh, is it focused? The straps on this one are a lot thicker. It's more like a tank top. That one was more like a bra almost. But yeah, this is what the back looks like. And it does come down a little lower on your stomach. This one's more like crop top length. That one was basically just a really cute bralette. I need stuff for my thumbnail. So yeah, it's super cute. I want to tell you guys, I've been obsessed with baby blue. I've been obsessed with baby blue. I was gonna wait to show you guys this purse until I showed you all the accessories, but I'm just gonna go ahead and show it to you now. So I got a purse as well. I've been wanting like a little baby blue baguette, and this one is so cute. If you've ever seen like a Louis Vuitton pochette, that's basically the style of this because this strap is detachable. And then I think you can add like a chain strap or something to make it crossbody, but it's basically like fake snake skin. It's patent leather. It's silver hardware, which is perfect because I almost always wear silver when I'm wearing baby blue. And this is what the inside looks like. It's not like the most like best quality bag in the world, but it was literally like $7, so what do you expect? And so I'd wear something like this and like jeans or leggings or something like that. Super cute. Love baby blue. I have just one more baby blue item, I promise. I didn't get that much baby blue, but this is what the top looks like. So let's get into the next piece. Okay, so this is the third top. If you've ever watched any of my try-on hauls, you would know this is not like my style at all. It has like, oh my god, my boobs look huge from this angle. Okay, it has like frills around the thing, and then it has like a little, I don't know what that is, but it's purple and it has like red roses. I don't like this shirt at all. It is so ugly on me, at least. I think it'd be cute if you were like a little white girl or something, but it's not like a bad quality top or anything. It was probably like $2 like everything else off of SHEIN, but I just don't like it. I don't see myself ever wearing it. This is one of those things that I have in my closet for like a year plus, never wear it. So I'm definitely setting this back. I've just been waiting to film this haul so I can start returning all this stuff, girl, because it is so ugly. But before we get into the last top that I got, I want to go ahead and show you guys some of the accessories that I got from SHEIN as well. So I got another little purse. This one is like hot pink. It's actually more of a magenta color than hot pink. It's coming out way brighter on camera. In real life, it's like a magenta, like fuchsia color. And it's basically the same concept as the other bag. It's silver hardware, detachable strap, and that's just what the inside looks like. And I ordered this because like I have like little like nicer quality. Okay, so I went through this whole phase where I only wanted to have like designer handbags for some reason, and so that's why I invested so much money into those ones. But I just feel like I wanted like little things like this, like a pink purse to wear with my pink outfits, but I actually don't like this. The pink looked a lot lighter. So the pink looked a lot lighter online. I thought I was getting like a baby pink color, but this is very, very bright. I don't own anything fuchsia. I don't own anything in this color, so I'm probably gonna return this as well. But it's really cute. It's like patent leather and shiny, so it won't get dirty quickly. And I think it's a cute bag. I just don't like the color. Ugh, with this ugly ass shirt that I bought. Disgusting. Also, if you've been watching my vlogs, then you know I upgraded from my old ass iPhone 6 and I just got the iPhone 11. So it's in my pocket right now. I got the black one. It just looks like that, and I have a black case on it right now. It was so hard. It's so hard to find phone cases for the iPhone 11. I swear everyone only makes phone cases for the Pro Max phone. So I went ahead and I got like 3 off of SHEIN, and I actually ordered like 3 more last night. So when those come, I'll show those to you guys as well. But I'll just go ahead and show you these. This one I already put on my phone. It's really, really pretty. It is like this like periwinkle bluish lavender color. It's a little bit dirty, y'all can see. Y'all know how these type of cheap phone cases get dirty quick. But it's like, you guys can see my top is lavender. It's not lavender, it's more blue, but it's like a really soft blue. And so it looks like that. And then I also got 2 pink phone cases. So I got like a baby pink, like a very, like almost like a nude, and then I got like a bubblegum Barbie pink as well. So they're all like super cheap, like silicone phone cases, and they were only like $1 each. Again, I used to order my phone cases off of like AliExpress, but SHEIN is way better because all your stuff comes at once. And another thing I got off of SHEIN was some lashes. So this is what these look like. This was like I got these because it was a good deal. It was like a pack of, I think 12 lashes or something like that, or 6 pairs or something for $5. And these are very, very bold. I'm not sure how I feel about these because I don't really wear lashes that are these long. I might just return them, but all these lashes for $5 is a really, really good deal. So yeah. I also got some nail supplies as well, but I wanted to do my nails, so I kind of already opened them. So I'm gonna insert some clips now of me like unboxing the nail supplies I got. Alright y'all, so I got a whole bunch of nail stuff as well, but I am gonna do my nails today, so I really want to use these 3 things. So I want to show it to you guys before I like use it. So first I got these like nail clips. I just realized these are for toenails. I actually love that for myself, but basically these are the clips used to soak off gel polish. I normally just use aluminum foil, so there are these. At least I can use like these first 4 for my fingers, hopefully. Sorry, there's white stuff on my hands. So there's that. And then I also got this a nail drill. I have one, but it's really cheap, but it's not that strong. So it just says variable speed nail drill. I'm pretty sure mine is black, but they don't let you choose the color. So I'm gonna open this up and show it to y'all. So this is what it looks like. Focus. So here is the drill, and then here's like the, I guess the charging wand or something like that. And then here are all the little drill heads in here. You guys can see. So yeah, I think I paid like $6 for that. I'm not sure. I'll try to leave the prices of everything on the screen, but you know it's SHEIN, so it was super cheap. And then I also got these nail tools. So I got like a cuticle pusher, and then I also got a cuticle trimmer, which I've been wanting one for really long, but all the ones I saw were so expensive, so I decided to try this one out. So here is the cuticle pusher slash scraper, and then here is another cuticle pusher slash scraper, and then here is the trimmer. So I paid like $3 for all 3 of them, which, let me tell you, if you do your own nails, that's pretty much the cheapest you're gonna get, because nail tools get super expensive. So, and I figured if it sucks, it was only $3 anyway. So there it is. Then I'm going to go ahead and try on my last top for you guys. So this is the last top that I got. I know it definitely looks better on camera than it does in real life, but I don't like this top, and I'm gonna tell y'all why. First, let me let y'all see it. So basically, it's like those style tops that have a little thing in the middle where you can like do it like this or something. You can tie in a little knot. I don't know what people be doing, but it looks like that. It's V-neck, and I don't like this top at all for a few reasons. First of all, the sleeves are not like, you guys know how sleeves are supposed to be like feminine. Like this shit is like very boxy, very masculine. The v-neck is really weird and the material is super uncomfortable. It's like, it's cotton, but it's not like the stretchy cotton. It's like the tight kind that they used to make bed sheets or something. I don't know. Definitely taking this back. I was gonna order this in so many colors too. I'm so glad I didn't waste my money. But yeah, it's sky blue, of course, like everything else in this haul. And I don't know, overall I just don't like it. I think it's not flattering on me, and I don't think it's a cute top. I definitely wouldn't recommend it. So yeah, you guys, that is basically everything that I got from Shein. I know this was a very short haul. It's probably like under 10 minutes, but I didn't really order that much off of it, but I felt like it was still enough for me to do a try on haul. I know everything in this haul was blue and I got like a whole bunch of random stuff, but I thought you guys would still want to see what I got. So if you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And also check the description box. I'm going to try and put my measurements and my sizing for everything down there, and I'm also going to try and leave these the links for the clothes in the description box as well. But you guys know how Shein is, like they sell out super fast, so if it's sold out, I can't help you. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.